Hi guys, welcome back. Today I just wanted to quickly share with you guys some things I've been loving in April, things I haven't shared with you on my channel. You may have seen them in other videos or you may have seen them on my Instagram. And a little plug, if you're not following me on my Instagram, you totally should. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you some of my April favorites and let's just get on into it, shall we? So first thing I wanted to talk about is skincare. So I mentioned this in one of my videos this month, but this is the Indie Lee COQ 10 toner. One thing that has totally changed my skin in general, I would think, is toner. I would say the two top things are toner and oil, but toner has definitely changed it. I switch around with a lot of toners, but this one I've been really loving. And it's because I feel like it not only takes the extra stuff off my skin, but it's balancing my skin. Sometimes when I wash my face, my skin feels so tight and dry, but once I put this on, it kind of balances out and it doesn't feel so dry anymore, and it just feels really nice. So if you're looking for a gentle toner, but that's also gonna just balance everything out, this is a really good one to look at, and the price point isn't too bad either. I forget how much it is, but I will link it down below. The next one I want to mention is also not a makeup product, but this is the Ouai Wave Spray Undulation. So I've heard a ton about this. This is not a new product by any means, and it's been around for a very long time. But one reason why I do like it is because I feel like I don't curl. I kind of changed how I curl my hair, and I don't curl every piece of my hair anymore. I kind of just curl the top layers and just a few random bottom layers, just so it looks more, I would say my hair just kind of looks more wavy than curly. I don't know how to explain it. Anyways, so I've been curling my hair a little bit differently, and I really enjoy this because it kind of makes my hair look more naturally curled. It doesn't make it look so like, oh, that girl curled her hair. It kind of looks more natural. As you can see, I've used it today. It also adds a little bit of texture, which I really enjoy also. So if you're looking for something that kind of just makes your hair look a little bit more naturally curled, I would definitely check this out. And you know, people have talked about the smell of the Ouai products for a very long time. And while I do like the smell, I don't think it's like a groundbreaking smell, but it does smell really nice. So, I mean, that's always a plus. Nice smelling hair. I mean, I'm for it. I'm definitely for it. Next product I want to talk about are the Milk tattoo stamps. So this is also, none of these products are super new, but anyways, the Milk tattoo stamps, I posted this in an Instagram photo a few days ago for a festival look that I did. These are just really fun, and you can honestly use them for anything. You can use them for your skin, your eyelids. You can do them, I've seen people do them on their nails, this little decals on their nails, which is really cool. Yeah, there's just a multiple amount of ways you can use this thing, which I think is really innovative. I don't know if it's really practical for everyday use, but I think if you're trying to do something fun or a little bit different with your look, these are really cool to check out. I have the heart one, and they're just black. I think it'd be actually really cool if they came out with colored stamps. So Milk, if you're listening to me, that is a cool idea that I just came up with. And this next one, I talked about in my last video. This is the Glossier Lip Stars, and this is in the color Cub. I got this as a gift. Thank you, Devin, if you're watching this. But I really do like this. I'm wearing this on my eyes today. As you can see, it's like a very barely there eyeshadow. So it's just like a little rosy pink tint on my eyelids. But the reason why I love this so much is because some days I feel like, especially if I'm just going out and going to lunch or dinner or something, and I don't want to wear a ton of eyeshadow, or if I don't have time, but I want to add a little something to my eyes, this is really great because it's so easy to apply. It's like a little lip gloss wand. That's what I think of when I see this. And you just put it on your eyelids, and then you just blend it out with your finger, and you're done. That's it. That's all I gotta do. It's super sheer, so I think that almost makes it easier to blend out because you can't see if you make any mistakes. You really can't tell. That's how sheer and easy it is to blend out. And just leaves a little tint. I feel like they should be called lid tints, but they're not. They're called lid stars. But they're not shimmery or glittery. They kind of just leave like a tint. They're a little bit shimmery, but they're not like glittery. There's no glitter chunks or anything in these. The last product I want to mention is not a makeup product. It is actually shoes. So I was actually thinking about this the other day. If you guys want me to do like beauty favorites and then like non-beauty favorites, like either household items or like clothing items or anything else that's not specifically beauty related, let me know and I can share those with you. I think that would be kind of fun. What do you think? But anyways, the other thing I want to mention are these shoes. These are from Anthropologie. They are the Dolce Vita brand, so they're not specific to Anthropologie in general, but they do sell these shoes at Anthropologie, and they came in black as well, but I got them in the gray color just because I felt like they could go with more styles. The reason why I love these is one, because of the low heel, because Mama doesn't have time for high heels as much anymore. I just don't have time. So they're great for walking around and things like that. Some people at work that I work at Anthropologie. Some people at work have said these aren't comfortable. Some people have said they are. So I feel like it's just depending on your preference. I personally find them very, very comfortable. They're a leather strap, so they're super comfortable. I feel like I'm saying comfortable a million times, but they're very comfortable to walk in. The strap here doesn't like squeeze your toes or anything. I feel like that's one of my biggest pet peeves is when this part like squeezes your toes and gives you blisters here, and it doesn't do that. I do wish that it had some sort of support across here, not just the ankle strap, but like maybe this was higher. I don't know. I just feel like this area of my foot needs a little love. I'll post a picture of me wearing these shoes just so you can see what they look like on. But obviously another great selling point is the heel. I mean, look how cute that is. Just love it. I think these are a great spring summer shoe if you're looking for a shoe that's maybe easier to walk in if you're gonna go run errands, but you also wanna wear it to like church or something a little bit more dressy on date nights, whatever you're doing. All right guys, that concludes my video. I just wanted to share with you guys a few things that I've been loving this month. Again, some of the things were more skincare, some things were more beauty or makeup, and other things were, you know, shoes. It wasn't beauty at all. So if you want to see more non-beauty related favorites from me, just let me know and I can share more of that stuff with you. And don't forget to like and subscribe, obviously. And if you want to be notified when I do publish videos, just ring the little bell. I think it's actually down here. I don't know where it is, but I'm pretty sure it's down here. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.